Let me show you how to make this easy phone holder with a pocket. Begin with a starting chain which is as wide as your phone. Then, starting from the second chain, begin making single crochets all the way till the end of the row. Then turn it over and make single crochets on the back side of that starting chain. Next, just continue crocheting around and around until it's long enough to fit your phone. Now for the strap. The strap is going to be 4 rows wide, so we're going to need 4 stitches over the side of the case. So stopping by 2 stitches right before the side, we'll go into the first, and then make a long chain for as long as you want the strap to be. Make sure it's not twisted. And connect it to the other side of the case, also 2 stitches from the side. Now a single crochet into the next stitch, then turn it around and skipping that first stitch that we just made, begin making single crochets all the way back along the chain. When you reach back to the first side, connect it with a single crochet, make another 1 single crochet, turn it around and repeat for another 2 rows. Hide in any ends and your phone case is ready. Now let's make the pocket. Begin with a chain that's as wide as your case. And then make single crochets back and forth until it's as long as you would like the pocket to be. Make sure that at the end you leave a long tail for sewing, and then sew it onto the case. That's it, it's all finished, very practical and so easy to make. I hope you found this tutorial useful. See you next time!